What's good, YouTube? What's good, man? What's good with y'all, man? It's been a minute. It's been a minute, y'all. The boy been out working, bro. A whole bunch of shit happened, y'all. A whole bunch of shit happened to my wife. The boy just been out here, man. Be living, bro. Ain't really had time to be bringing y'all with me, you feel me? You know what I mean? The boy was busy, bro. Your boy still on the road now. We stay on the road, bro. But today, man, feel me? My little trigger finger itching me, feel me? My little trigger finger itching me, feel me? I feel like, you feel me? I'm on some itchy shit today, man. I'm on some itchy shit today, so today I can explore. We about to let go some, you know, some steam, you feel me? You know what I'm saying? I got the, you feel Nah, for real, like, we about to let go some steam, man. We about to go, you know what I'm saying? Pop some, you feel me? Pop some, whatever. Why I'm moving so much? But, like, yeah. We about to pop some so much. But yeah, we about to, you know what I'm saying? We about to go outside. We about to, you feel me? Get some fa, you feel me? Pop. Key. That's what we about to be on today, man. We about to let go some steam, you feel me? I don't promote violence, you feel me? I ain't out here, you feel me? Out here. You know what I mean? We just staying safe and right. We just staying safe than sorry, you feel me? But yeah, your boy finna, you know what I'm saying? We about to go to the gun or whatever. Man, y'all just tag along, man. Y'all just see where we about to go. We about to fuck it up. We about to turn up. Enjoy the vlog with me, y'all. Enjoy my day with me, y'all. Feel me? You know what I mean? Gotta turn up, you feel me? Who you really know got a fucking garage, man? You know what I mean? You know what I mean? But we really out here, bro. That's how we living, bro. But yeah, man. We outside, y'all. Enjoy the vlog. Hit a thumbs up, comment, do all of that, because we about to be doing more.
Smoking on that shit that barely had me see. In the street playing Call of Duty, walk around with an ARP. Pussy nigga think he in the street. I'm a demon, baby, don't talk to moms and she don't talk to me. Take them sticks, go crazy, walk them down and knock.
Look at this car, bro. Jeez. It's a car. Old school whip. That boy nice. Ooh-wee. Got another one. Oh my gosh. This baby is nice. It's a porch. Got a Lexus.
What you're gonna want to do is buy an aftermarket slide. It's already
Ammo.
I just bought a new Glock. I just bought this dude glizzy. I just bought a new Glock. I just bought a new Glock. Caught me 350. I used to lay niggas down so I sleep with it. I be trying to chase my dream, but I be fighting demons. My Glock got a dick, I even pee with it. It's an XD, boy don't test me. Do your homework, where I be with it. I get reckless, nigga. I don't need my team with me. But I ain't no selfish nigga, so my whole team winning. And I ain't rescuing no hoe. I'ma keep pimping. I ain't Superman. I ain't saving you. I just dropped the album. Probably baby too. I got a son now. My little baby too. I got snakes in my Gucci. I'm a python. I got snakes in my closet, but not in my yard. Snakes on my collarbone, but not in my laundry. Doing fraud, heard that money good in Colorado. A new Glock, this a 9, Rajon Rondo. Every show I do now look like the Apollo. Shawty said she love me. Project baby, pull up on a nigga, no huggy. Put my BM in a BM just to drive a punch buggy. Call that bar, on Millie Rock, on Dougie. Yeah, going up, talk with Nene. Call that bar, I don't do the Nene. I get reckless, nigga. I don't need my team with me. But I ain't no selfish nigga, so my whole team winning. And I ain't rescuing no hoe. I'ma keep pimping. I ain't Superman. I ain't saving you. I just dropped the album. Probably baby too. I got a son now. My little baby too. I got snakes in my Gucci. I'm a python. I got snakes in my closet, but not in my yard. Snakes on my collarbone, but not in my laundry. Doing fraud, heard that money good in Colorado. A new Glock, this a 9, Rajon Rondo. Every show I do now look like the Apollo. Shawty said she love me. Project baby, pull up on a nigga, no huggy. Put my BM in a BM just to drive a punch buggy. Call that bar, on Millie Rock, on Dougie. Yeah, going up, talk with Nene. Call that bar, I don't do the Nene.
Watch out. God damn.
Bitch, I'm a savage. Yeah.
I'm a fit. Are you mean? Shake up the place, shake up the place. 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 It's sexy, sexy.
Y'all niggas getting far. Wait, your hands off. Y'all niggas dogging with us. We out here chilling.
I think that's going up for Merritt.
No, Lake Merritt is this way.
It's big.
I mean, that is Lake Merritt over there. Yeah, okay. So I think. Something light.